Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring an eco-friendly and budget-friendly way to nourish your plants using natural fertilizers from your kitchen. We'll show you how to use coffee grounds, eggshells, and other kitchen waste to create nutrient-rich soil for your garden. First up, coffee grounds. Used coffee grounds are a fantastic source of nitrogen, which is essential for plant growth. Simply sprinkle the coffee grounds around the base of your plants or mix them into your compost. They also help improve soil structure and attract beneficial earthworms. Next, let's talk about eggshells. Eggshells are rich in calcium, which helps strengthen plant cell walls and prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. Rinse your eggshells, let them dry, and then crush them into small pieces. Scatter the crushed shells around your plants or add them to your compost bin. Banana peels are another great kitchen waste that can benefit your garden. They are high in potassium, which promotes strong root development and overall plant health. Just chop the banana peels into small pieces and bury them a few inches deep in the soil near your plants. As they decompose, they'll release nutrients into the soil, enriching it naturally. Other kitchen waste items like vegetable scraps, fruit peels, and even leftover tea leaves can be composted to create a nutrient-rich fertilizer for your garden. Just be sure to avoid meat, dairy, and oily foods, as they can attract pests and create unpleasant odors. Composting these materials not only helps your plants but also reduces waste, making it a win-win. Using natural fertilizers from your kitchen is a simple and sustainable way to boost your garden's health. Give these tips a try and watch your plants thrive. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!